selflessness. Let's watch. Since Monday, April 20th, 2026, a total of 28 priests ordained in 2001 and are now celebrating their silver jubilee have been convening at St. Augustine's Institute in Nsambya for a retreat.
Tears of joy because I was there.
The 10-day retreat is designed to provide space for deep spiritual reflection, sharing of pastoral experiences, and guidance on navigating the demands of contemporary priestly life as the clergy renew their commitment to serving the church.
During this retreat, we are having so many people who are enabling us to look back and see our experiences, but also generate fresh energy. And when we look back and we say, how did this go about? How did this happen? How can I relaunch my ministry? It's very, very nice, and especially the reunion. Many of us are meeting 25 years after we left seminary as deacons, and we are only meeting here 25 years later. And we are like, how we wish this could happen quite often.
It's upon this ground that Father John Kamsimet Muhaire, the Diocesan Chancellor of Fort Portal Diocese, commended the bishops for organizing the retreat, saying it has not only renewed their spiritual strength, but also rekindled bonds with fellow priests they have not met in years.
I have found it very enriching because after 25 years of ministry, I've been able to meet my colleagues after 25 years, some of whom we had never met for all those years. So it has been a wonderful meeting, and I'm really happy.
Consequently, Father John Baptist Sonko, the General Spiritual Director of St. Mary's National Seminary in Uganda, emphasized the importance of prayer as the foundation of priestly life, urging aspiring priests to cultivate a strong spiritual grounding for meaningful and resilient ministry.
To the future priests seminarians, some of whom I'm teaching, I would wish to tell them that it is possible to serve God without any hindrance if you are a man of prayer. This ministry requires to be people of God, to be prayerful people, and to use all other means of speech exercises. We have spiritual direction, we have getting some moments to be alone with God in the Blessed Sacrament. Those have been very instrumental means on my side that have really sustained me in my ministry for the last 25 years.
The challenges are real. They are there, but we hinge on the power of God. We hang on our faith, and with prayer, everything works, because you can't say that we rely on our own energy. And I would encourage whoever, even if someone is 1 year in priesthood or in the seminary wants to be a priest, when there are challenges, you don't say, let me give up. No, we carry on. And because we know that the power of God is there with us, no matter the challenge, there is no challenge which is too big for God. As long as we put it in prayer, we are able to manage.
The retreat continues to serve as a moment of reflection and renewal as the Silver Jubilarians prepare to carry forward their mission with strengthened faith and unity.